in we all most of us have altcoins, and we all know that sometimes it can be difficult converting the altcoins to a popular coin so that you can withdraw it to your account in your local bank account. All right, so uh most of your now know how to use the pancake swap to swap to any coin of your choice. All right, but you can use BNB, just like I said in some other video. Like, you use BNB to convert to buy any other altcoin. That's the coin that is on Binance Smart Chain. You use BNB Smart Chain to buy those coins. But now, in return, when you try converting those coins back to BNB and you try getting them to a popular coin so that you can withdraw them to your account, it proves really abortive, and it becomes a bit more difficult. So in this video, what I'm going to show to you is how to withdraw those altcoin, how to stop all those pancake, how to bypass all those pancake errors. Each time you try to convert it to BNB or to a popular coin, you keep seeing pancake errors, and how to bypass that pancake error and then be able to switch your coin to a popular coin so that you can withdraw them to your local bank account. So that's what this video entails. So I'll encourage you to watch this video to the end so that you get the value I'm going to deliver. So I have a lot of things that I'm sharing alongside, and I'm not cutting and removing any part. Everything that I did in the video, it just as it was done. All right, so that you see the mistakes that I made, and the some of the mistakes I made, and some of the way I was able to solve them. All right, so that you have to watch the video to the end. All right, so let's just dive right into the video and see how everything just goes. All right, guys, this is an account that is trying that I'm trying to expand. So I'm trying to expand all the altcoins. All right, the owner of this account want the account to be expanded. Maybe there's an urgent need for funds, and as you guys know, I trade coins. All right, I trade coins and I buy and sell coins as well. If you've not known that by now. So look at that. Let's start with that particular token right there. And what we're trying to do, we're trying to convert almost all of this coin to the coin that we want to use it on. That's a BNB. All right, so that because BNB can easily be sent to Binance and can be sold directly on Binance through the P2P option. All right, but trying to convert pick token, like let's say a coin like pick token to you know uh, to BNB, it's really very hard, very difficult. It refuses to go. It keeps giving this pancake error. So the thing that you have to do, which I did here, as you can see in the video, was to increase the slippages. All right, why you increase the slippages as you keep going, and as you keep going, most times you have to refresh the transaction before it will go. All right, most times you have to increase the slippages. Okay, I used slippage of 1, it didn't go. I used slippage of 2, it didn't go. But as you can see there, it went through at slippage of 5. The transaction went through, so I was able to convert the entire pig token to BNB. Now you can see it right there. All right, I was able to convert the entire pig token to BNB. Already, the quantity that is remaining is just very little. You can see that it's already converted. So it's just as simple as that. All right, you can see the pig token now. The quantity has been reduced because the amount has been taken up. You can see that it has disappeared from the balance from the top. So let's try to do this to as many shit coins as possible. All right, you all know that there are a lot of shit coins out here, and you have probably bought so many of them. And mind you, this applies to shit coins on Binance Smart Chain. All right, but if you're using shit coins on Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum Smart Chain, what you need to do is maybe use the swap option there, and or maybe you use the Uniswap. All right, so let's try as more coins. All right, to convert the Dogecoin to BNB is very Dogecoin doesn't need much slippages. It doesn't have problem. Coins that are a bit popular already doesn't have much problem converting to, because they are already listed in some other popular exchanges. All right, and some other places. So you see there. So this is what I did here. I did this to as many shit tokens as possible, and they were all converted, even those that prove abortive before now, even those ones that I couldn't convert, they all converted. All right, as long as that slippage is played around, you play with around the slippages. All right, it will always go back and forth, except coins that is not no longer listed on the pancake swap. So this is just simple, how to convert your shit coins to your popular coin and then transfer it back to your account in your local bank account in your country. So please do well to like my video, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, make sure you comment and share this video to someone out there that might love it. All right, so see you in the next video.